Hello guys, welcome back to Cosko Techscoop. We have witnessed 120-watt fastest charging handset. Those are Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G and Black Shark 4 and 5 series. And some teasers of Realme phone with 125-watt charging speed and also 150-watt charging handsets by Realme only. Then just hour after, Oppo tried to steal the limelight by teasing its 240-watt Super VOOC fast charging smartphone. However, some teasers turned to reality and some just ended on papers. As of now, Infinix on Twitter just announced their new Infinix Zero Ultra 5G smartphone launch date on 5th October with some crazy specifications like triple rear camera with 200 megapixel main sensor and OIS, which already claimed live images surfaced online, and also 180-watt Thunder Charge system and a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chip, where Infinix themselves present this smartphone as explore beyond the limits of imagination. Now, by watching the launch teaser, which has stars and a planet, means there can be satellite connectivity like we saw in Apple devices, or it can also be about photography related mode. Now share this with your friends and subscribe to know more about such latest smartphones.